Okay, so same thing over here, we have the summary, right? The pH scale is a scale between 1 to 14. And then acid, the pH is 1 to 6. Alkali, the pH is 8 to 14. Strong acid, your common sulfuric acid, your hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, they dissociate completely in water, okay, to give the hydrogen ion. So the pH is 1, 2, 3. My H plus is more than OH minus. Weak acid is your ethanoic acid. Okay, the pH is 4 to 6. It dissociates partially to give hydrogen ions in water. So water or salt is neutral, pH 7. Strong alkali, your group 1 alkali, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, they dissociate completely to give OH minus in water. The pH value is 11 to 14 or 12 to 14. Weak alkali is your aqueous ammonia. They dissociate partially to give hydroxide ions in water. pH is 8 to 10. Then my universal indicators color change. You have to note this part is strong. Red must be strong. Orange to yellow. This part is weak acid. Okay, green is neutral. Whether is it dark green, light green is neutral. Blue is your weak alkali. And then purple is your strong alkali. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide.